Okay, say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
I'm making a video.
We're actually eating yogurt. You want to be in it? Okay.
Yo!
You wrote checks out.
We going to Jimmy John's.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna pack a cooler.
You look again. Say, I'm an alien.
I'm an alien.
Okay. This is actually going to be an episode of the...
That's Hammer and Tanya. That Amy.
Okay, we are ending this right now.
The Amy Tamra talk show.
Actually, it's the Tamra and Tanya talk
I'm
show.
Amy.
Okay, this is actually the Amy and Tamra talk show.
Sorry for confusion. Okay, go.
I'm Amy.
And I'm Tamra.
That's what we are.
I know.
What's your name?
I'm now Lena.
You're Nina.
Lena.
Lena. Okay.
So today was yesterday was Tanya's 18th birthday.
Here, get up here. You gotta get in the video.
It was her 18th birthday. What, Lena? What are you doing?
Yeah, I heard I found it in the yard.
Don't
Okay,
spit
okay.
on my phone. It's worth
So
more than
today
you.
we're supposed to go to Bunker Beach. We have a huge party,
Yeah. Lena,
but we don't think we're going to Bunker Beach.
I wanna go to
So if
Bunker
we
Beach.
don't, we're going to the beach. We're getting Jimmy John's.
We packing a cooler.
Yeah, with Jimmy John's in it.
Lena,
When I just had.
get out of my yogurt.
Who is this crazy chick?
I think her name's Lena.
There's something.
Well, anyway,
Why are you petting my head?
what else are we talking about, Amy?
in there.
Stop. Oh my god. Okay, get out of here, Lena. Otherwise, we're cutting the video.
Cleaver's gonna come.
Cleaver's coming.
Amy's
Okay.
eating mango yogurt.
Actually, it's strawberry.
It smells like mango.
Tastes like
So-
strawberry. Okay. Well, today's gonna be a bust because we have this party tonight.
And today
But-
we're going to go
Valley
to
Fair was a bus. Now Bunker Beach is gonna be a bus. No, I said bit. Oh,
Slice of sugar. Okay, Lena, shut the heck up. Okay, actually, we're supposed to go to Bunker Beach today, and then there's a party later tonight. First, Job will be backed out on our party or on Bunker Beach. Fuck you, dude. You're always backing out on our shit. Okay, and then we're like, okay, let's go to Bunker Beach. Now Tanya doesn't know if she wants to because too much work.
she's yelling at her mom.
Say,
She's
Mom,
yelling
get
at
the
her
dishes.
mom. We don't have chairs for a bonfire. We don't have a bin.
A bin,
We need a bin to make punch.
and not a bin.
Yeah.
Called a bucket.
A tub, but that's what I meant. A bucket.
Okay,
Brewster! Hey, buddy.
Tamra's new name is Bashful
Amy's
Dopey.
is Brewster.
Bashful Dopey.
Named after the Indian Scout Brewster.
Named after the two dwarves.
who loves Jesse Radford.
Lena, get out of here. Okay, well, I think we've been, doing this video long enough, so
We'll come back to
we'll
you.
come back to you
sometime.
guys later. Okay, bye. Okay, push the button, Lena.
Drive, that's the closest one.